Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Mohit. Today video is about VDC Pair Trading. So VDC stands for Volatility Neutralized Divergent Convergence. It's a very simple indicator where we get buy sell entries like this. So this is a chart of Bank Nifty divided by Nifty, meaning a ratio chart of the two index. So when we get an oscillator kind of a green, we go long. If we get a red, we go short in the pair, and so on. So this is where we went short, and this is now on Friday we went long. So this indicator is very straightforward and gives very good pair trading opportunities, and it is very easy for a totally beginner to trade or do pair trading in index, in currencies, and in pairs like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Bank, HDFC, and many more pairs. So let's just check this what it is about. So for example, when it starts to oscillate below the zero line over here, we need to short Bank Nifty and a long Nifty, right? And if it goes above, we need to do the reverse, meaning long Bank Nifty and short Nifty. So how we can test this also? I mean, although it is manually visible from the chart itself, like it's working very fine, very beautifully. As you can see in the past, this over here it fell and then it went up from here, and when it was green, and currently it is in green. So it opened with a gap also today, and one of our member booked at the opening only. He booked around 4-5 thousand rupees. It took initiated the trade on Friday, and then booked today morning itself. Okay, so let me just show you how you can backtest it. So what we need to do is I have already shared one indicator with all of you, which is live PNL, because in trading view paper trading, if you want to do, it will not let you do pair trading paper trade, right? Because it will in trading it will only let you trade one instrument, but not two of them together in a different direction. So this is what this is panel is about. Live panel, you can define two symbols here: Bank Nifty, Nifty. So I am short on first one, long. Sorry, we need to go long in Bank Nifty one and short on two. So here it will change, like long Bank Nifty, short this both on futures, because we're going to actually trade on futures only. This is the lot size you can fill: 25 for Bank Nifty, 50 for Nifty, and now you need to give an entry price over here. Okay, so at when it went into green, so you can check somewhere here. Let's pick this 130. We can pick, okay, any price you can pick. It doesn't matter a lot. So you can see at this point of time, you can see the prices of Nifty and Bank Nifty over here, right? These golden line is for Nifty and blue is for Bank Nifty. So at 130, I'm just picking a random example, 130 as a time, because it has turned into green, and the blue line also crossed zero line level. So okay, you can see Nifty is 8113 and Bank Nifty 42607. So we'll put 8113 and 42607 on Bank Nifty. All right. Yeah, we can go to 130 here, and we can check again 42607 as we have entered for Bank Nifty, and Nifty 18113. All right. So if had we entered on 130, because it turned into green and above zero, so we would be currently on 4,000 something profits as the trade is live right off as of now. All right. So one of the member has booked around 4-5 thousand somewhere in the at the opening today, but the trade is still on. All right. So now what we can do is we can do bar replay. So we can select this replay and go to 130 and check the performance, how candle by candle the PNL has fluctuated as well. All right. So I kept the speed as very slow because I'll manually play it. So I'll go. You can see, right? We just entered at time on this candle is 130, 13, almost 130. So the next candle is somewhere where we have entered. at 130. I'll just play manually so you can see the profit loss, whatever M2M you'll also see in your terminal, broker terminal. You can also see over here as well. So you can manually play. Here it went up, so you'll see it fluctuating. Here you can see diverges is increasing. So this is the chart of now Bank Nifty, but what we need to check is the ratio chart. All right, so you can check a ratio chart in a separate window also if needed. And there is another pair trading indicator for ratio plots I have shared separately along with VDC pair trading with a lot of you guys. So you can check there as well. So I'll just play candle by candle how Bank Nifty has performed. So today Bank Nifty has opened gap up, and this is where 5,000 profit book came, and one of our member also, one of my close network also booked, and currently the trade is running on. So you can see how Bank Nifty, this is live performance. Let me go till the last candle. So it's running here. So from where we entered, Bank Nifty is about 300 400 points up. So Bank Nifty is contributing 7,300 rupees profit, Nifty contributing 3,000 rupees loss. Overall 4,500 profit as of now live market. So that's how to trade about it. It gives beautiful signals. You can see for yourself in the in back it oscillates in this kind of a structure. All right, here we go long, right? Here we go short, we switch to long, switch to short, switch to long. So long short model is something you can do this. So right now it's Bank Nifty. You can change it to anything you want to do as a pair, but it works be very beautiful in currency and Bank Nifty, especially, and also in the group pairs like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, IDFC First Bank, and so on. A lot of good pairs are available where the correlation is very high. So you stick to the best pairs possible and try to milk the juice, milk the cow as much as possible using this normal and a very easy indicator for an very beginner to understand where to do long and short. All right, so if you have any questions, you can reach out to me in comment box. If you like the efforts and the content I'm putting up and sharing with all of you, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you, and I wish you a very profitable day today. uh, okay, bye bye, take care, thank you.